I am asking the military commanders of the different camps all over the country that you can go there and ask for accommodation at pagkain. And they will, they would only be too willing to help you. Yan ang ating army at police. Bigyan kayo pagkain at tulugan. And in the meantime, they will try to communicate the authorities in Manila to, we will try to, anyway, makukuha ko kayo. That is a very terrible thing. You know, as a matter of fact, it would have been very cruel for you to drive